Hey everyone, how's it going? Now, in today's video, I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys how to draw a sleeping cat because as you can see in this video right now, I do have a cat that just decided to fall asleep right where I am drawing. So let's see if we can actually draw this nice and quiet and see if she will stay here while we draw the sleeping cat. Now, there's lots of different ways to draw a sleeping cat, and I just want to show you guys a real simple way. So, to start off with this, we're just going to begin with the eyes. So, I'm just going to draw a little smiley face shape like this for an eye, and then a little smiley face shape like this for another eye. Now, right in between the eyes, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes straight across, and then I'm just going to make a little V shape like this for the nose. Then, right here, I'm just going to draw a little circle line for the cheek, and then I'm just going to draw another one right here for the other cheek. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to make a nice circle shape that's just going to go all the way around the head. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go out, and then it's going to come down for an ear. And then another one right here that's going to go out, and then it's going to come down for the ear. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve right across the top for the head. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up, and then it's just going to curve to here for the inside of the ear. And then same thing here, go up, and then just kind of curve right here for the inside of the ear. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to come around, and then back up here for a paw. And then I'm going to do the same thing right here, just kind of go out, and then just kind of curve right to here. Then I'm going to add two little curved lines like this, and then two little curved lines just like this for the toes. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. I'm going to just kind of slowly move the cat foot out of the way, and I'm just going to kind of curve around, and I'm going to come right up to this foot right here. Then I'm just going to continue this line, and I'm going to curve down, and then I'm just going to bring it back to about here. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little curved line just to kind of show where the leg is. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a couple little lines for some whiskers. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here on this side. Then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, since Miami loves to sleep on my papers, I'm just going to add a little line that goes out, down, and then it's just going to come back up like this to make it look like a piece of paper. Then I'm going to draw another one here, just kind of goes out, over, and then back just for another little piece of paper. And there you go. There is your drawing of a sleeping cat, or you could even make it a little sleeping Miami cat like this. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.